right near Glades Road. NBC6's Amanda Plasencia has arrived on the scene.
Well, he arrived here on the scene just a few moments ago, and what I can tell you is that a small plane went down here in Boca Raton. I'm going to step out of the way so you can see the scene. You can see the tail.
No, it's a small plane in Florida. Well, we're in trouble, guys. We're in trouble. God knows, like, this is sad, man. This is very sad. I don't know what to say about this one. This one is sad. Guys, just pray up and stay safe out there, yeah.